All right, what number is 1 more than 40? Another way of saying this is what is 1 plus 40? But instead of doing that, let's use our blocks. I'm going to show you our 40 blocks. I know that's a lot. There we go. So remember, each strip is 10 blocks. Okay, so let's double check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so there's 10 blocks here, so that means in total we have 40 blocks here. So here's our 40 blocks. And now we need to add one more. So let's add one more block. There we go. So here's our one block. So we can say that 1 more than 40 is 41 because we know that we have 40 blocks here and we're just adding one more. So the correct answer is 41.